State does seek an appeal in this case. However, there's a chance that it will be stayed by the Supreme Court. All of that is in the states. The ball's in the state's court on that issue.
Iowa leaders explaining the next step in challenging the injunction blocking the state's latest fetal heartbeat law. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Elias Johnson.
I'm Erin Kiernan. The Iowa law banning abortion after roughly 6 weeks of pregnancy is on hold for now.
Governor Reynolds does have options and is not going to give up the legal fight. WHO 13 Zach Fisher joins us from the Capitol. Zach, as expected, an appeal is on the way.
Yep, an appeal is on the way, Elias, potentially as soon as this week. Now, Governor Reynolds telling that to reporters after a press conference earlier today up in the Capitol Rotunda. Now you're going to be talking about what she was talking about for government realignment here in just a minute or two. You can see her lined up with some of her cabinet members there behind her. So afterwards, that press conference, Reynolds started explaining her rationale for why she thinks this time it's going to be clear in the courts.
Because I think the law is constitutional. I think they got it wrong the first go around here a couple months ago. I think that especially when we had the United States Supreme Court say that the Constitution doesn't guarantee a right to an abortion, and followed up with, well, I guess we were first. The Iowa Supreme Court said that the Iowa Constitution doesn't guarantee a right to abortion, followed up by the Supreme Court where they implemented rational standard. Justice Mansfield indicated they would wait until they saw how the Supreme Court ruled. They did, and I think the bill that we passed is constitutional, especially with the changes that we've seen.
Now, that rational standard is what's going to be critical if this makes it all the way up to the state Supreme Court. And I'm just going to guess here, too, guys, that Reynolds and the state were expecting this injunction to be put in place early this week, knowing that they would appeal. Just like what happened here at the special session last week, too. It was known this bill was going to pass. They have the supermajority. Reynolds' team probably knew that this injunction was going to be in place. So it always has been coming down to the state Supreme Court whenever it gets up to that level, Elias.
Yeah, everything, it's formalities at this point. It's got to play out in the court system through the process, depending on how long that takes. We've been there before. We'll have to see how it plays out. And as always, we know that you or anyone here at WHO 13 will be following the progress so Iowans can stay up to date. Thank you, Zach.